There is an old saying, you are what you eat. But as the matter of fact is, you are what you digest. Doesn't matter how nutritious or healthy you eat, but if your digestion is not right, all the effort of being fit is in vain. Hello everyone, welcome to CDC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the best diet and habit for healthy digestive system and what are the common mistakes and habits that we do in our day-to-day life which leads to bad digestion in first place, resulting uneasiness, bloating, gas, headache, mood swings, skin and hair problems are amongst the most common today. According to Ayurveda, more than 85% of diseases are due to imbalance of digestive fire, which leads to poor digestion. Number one mistake that usually people make, knowingly or unknowingly, is drinking water immediately after meal. Water after meal suppresses the digestive fire, which leads to food decay in the stomach. And the undigested residues, which is also known as ama in Sanskrit, forms toxins. These toxins accumulation over the period leads to chronic conditions such as high cholesterol, blood disorders, fatigue syndromes, cyst, allergy, etc. Another common problem is people take bath after eating their food. Whether getting ready for work after breakfast or taking bath after a long tiring day to relax yourself in bed after dinner. Both above mentioned practices are basically inviting problems for your body and mind. Water should be consumed after 1.5 hours of the meal and one should take bath before 30 minutes of having food. If bathing is not possible before meal due to any reason, then one should keep minimum 4 to 5 hours gap in between. Number 3 is wrong food combinations, like combining dal and paneer. When I say combining dal and paneer, I mean eating paneer sabji and lentils together in the same meal, as they are both rich in protein and will be heavy to digest. Few other examples are combining grains with milk, fruits with milk, cucumber raita, savory items with sweet like snack with tea or coffee. These rules might feel overwhelming, even irritatingly complicated, but the rationale behind proper food combination really does make sense. Here is one specific example combining fruit with milk. Though commonly eaten together, bananas and milk are challenging to digest together because their qualities are so different from each other. Bananas are heating while milk has cooling effect on our bodies. Further, bananas become sour when they break down. So now our digestive fire must process sour substance and milk at the same time. Have you ever added squeeze of lemon to milk? Or maybe you poured a little milk into tangy fruity tea, only to watch it curdle instantly. What happens to this mismatched food in our digestive tract is not much different. When bananas and milk are eaten together, their opposing qualities tend to smother the digestive fire and can disturb the balance of intestinal flora, which results into the creation of toxins. This combination also frequently causes congestion, cold, cough, allergies, hives, and rashes. A similar situation arises when we combine any sour fruit with milk. Another huge mistake we make on daily basis, knowingly or unknowingly, is use same kind of grains over and over. So, for example, in the same day, one is eating paratha in breakfast, chapati in lunch and dinner. Even I have seen a lot of people who eat rice 3 times a day. This kind of habit makes our system weak over the period, as the nutrients from particular grain, for example wheat, which body already consumed it in a form of paratha in breakfast, if we overload our system with the same kind of nutrients, body eventually starts storing it in the form of fat for later use, as its current requirements are fulfilled. Repeating the same mistake unknowingly makes people obese. 5. Eating wrong food at the wrong time. As a thumb of rule, one should eat raw vegetable and fruits during the daytime, as our digestive system works better in the presence of sunlight, and should eat cooked food later in the day for better assimilation. Even salad should be avoided during the night time. Understand it in this way. Nature has already planned the way we should act and work. As the sun rises, our digestive fire also rises accordingly and stays on its peak from 10 am to 6 pm. As the sun starts to set, so as our digestive fire as well. One can think, oh, it doesn't matter, I can digest everything. Or even one can think, I am doing it for such a long time, but nothing has ever happened to me. For sure, if you are young, your digestive system must be strong right now. But by continuously repeating these mistakes, one will sure weaken it eventually. So even if you are perfectly fit and fine, then also by consciously limiting these habits, one can really stay healthier and maintain themselves for a longer time. People who have perfect digestive system and just wanted to maintain it need not to watch this video any further. But if you are amongst the one who suffers from any kind of digestive trouble, even the slightest, then here is the best suitable diet for you. First come first, you need to take off the pressure from the stomach by eating light and flavorful meal for at least 6 to 8 weeks depending on the condition. As I mentioned earlier, one should change grains to obtain maximum advantage out of it. For breakfast or lunch, one can choose from the following option. Select any one or mix and match any two options and change it daily for better and faster results. One day, you can eat poha with vegetables or besan, also known as chickpea flour, chila with cilantro chutney, or moong dal chila with mint chutney. Vegetable or wheat dalia or porridge, but do not take milk dalia. Vegetable masala oats, vegetable idli with coconut chutney, or dhokla or rava upma, multigrain mixed roti by using ragi, bajra or any other variety of millet flour, with ghia or tori ki sabji. Another option is sabudana khichdi or multigrain misi roti with ginger and green chili added in between. With small bowl of curd, mixed vegetable roti with lauki ka raita, tinde ki sabji with chapati, or mixed vegetable pulao, seasonal vegetable with chapati or soya biryani. You can include any of these above mentioned options in dinner as well, but do not consume yogurt at night. Yogurt works best if you take it on empty stomach. Eat plain or just add bit of salt, black pepper and roasted cumin powder in it. This is an excellent remedy for stomach. If you are someone who feels lot of heat in the stomach, then add shakar or jaggery powder in yogurt instead of salt and other ingredients. Then having chas or buttermilk with rock salt and a pinch of black pepper powder after 2-3 hours of lunch is quite helpful, especially if you want to reduce weight. For dinner, one can have any of the above mentioned option or anything which is hot, light and fully cooked. For example, vegetable soup, tomato and carrot soup, lemon coriander soup, moong dal soup, corn soup with lemon and so on. Just absolutely no raw salad and fruits at night time. Though you can have fruits in breakfast and raw salad in lunch or just before starting your cooked lunch. So, for example, if you normally consume 4 chapatis for lunch, you can have salad instead of first 2 chapatis and then start your cooked meal. Remember, gut and brain has direct connection, so never ever punish your body by starving. Eat as much as you want in starting. Once your body start getting balanced nutrient, it will automatically gives you signal and things will fall in place eventually. It doesn't mean that you can add whatever to your system. Just be mindful and at the same time don't stress yourself because of overeating. I am sharing few more tips to get a holistic approach of this wonderful regime. Do body massage twice a week on empty stomach preferably, or 3 to 4 hours later after having meal, that to avoid stomach area. Do include some yogic practices like Hatha Yoga or Pranayam to nourish your mind and soul as well. Do try out this simple, flavorful, and effective diet plan and get rid of most of the digestive problems. Do share it with your friends and relatives so the maximum people can be benefited with this powerful routine. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then please subscribe it. If you like this video and my effort, do give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in comment section below. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, happy tummy eating. Bye bye, take care.